This is one more lake, somehow very close to our hotel, roughly around 10 minutes drive. It's called Duck Park on the Foreshore Road. And today it is again raining for the last couple of days. So I wanted to give you the look how it looks when it rains. The lake is quite huge. Normally you see mostly the birds in the morning, but today since it's raining, they might be hiding behind the trees. As you can see the bird, one. This place is full of people around in the evening. And you have so many multiple coffee shops here, and there's a park as well, which is called Duck Park. As you can see the board, just to the wiper, here it is, Duck Park. So the lake is next to Duck Park, like this. So on one side you have this beautiful lake, and on the other side you have Dal Lake, famous Dal Lake, as you can see. Huge. Start raining. This famous lotus flower garden as well here. You can see the lotuses. And a beautiful view. It looks like a garden. Normally we ask our visitors or guests to visit this place around this is 6 p.m. evening, and take photographs, pictures, videos. So I'm just trying to show you the nearby places to our hotel so that you can get some sort of idea how beautiful the hotel location is. So on this side you have this beautiful lotus lake, and on the other side you have the famous Dal Lake on this side. So you have both the options to enjoy the nature and the lakes. It's raining quite heavily right now. They have a lotus lake here. And then you have this flower shop wherein you can buy flowers from here as well. Thank you.